What's up, folks? This is Heine's morning update. Missed you the last few days. I'll be in and out today. Work. Anyway, overnight, 81 to 45. 45 to 40, I'd say 42. 45, 42 range is kind of low end if we break that. We'll look at 43, 33. That 44.15, which actually became a number on the midway, and then 44.06 is pretty much my line in the sand. We get back under that, and I think that we'll kind of look a little bit more bearish. 44.65 to 44.73. Again, if we open up above 60, so we're kind of there right now, 65. I would tend to be bullish. Yesterday was actually, by a short and curly, an inside day. With most of your volume at the 4,500 level. So that would be obviously a level to watch. Upside, I think Monday or Tuesday, I gave you a 45.05 was the level, 4,500, 45.05. That level held, then we popped to 14. We could consider this a double top on the 14s. Again, we'll see if that holds. If the 14s don't hold, 45.25 is my next upside. We have a few beyond that, but 68.70 is really the next volume profile, but it almost coincides with your R3 if we get up there today. But 25 would be the next level, and then probably 45.50-ish. So that's kind of what I'm looking at. If we get north of 45.25, we could definitely be off to the races. If you look at kind of this volume imprint back up to this level, so typically we're going to go from supply to supply, and we're gonna go through that dip there on the volume aspect. So again, we'll see. There's a lot going on. I'm going to do a quick macro update on another video. What else? Let's go into Euro. Nothing significant. Euro's down a little bit. Again, that's been hovering in a 110 to 108 range. 108's my low. Below that, the euro becomes very bearish and dollar becomes very bullish, and therefore that should suppress the market. But again, there's so much going on. I don't know. I'm confused as everybody else. Grains are softer. Wheat is softer, kind of negligent. Again, I think that, we saw the high on March 8th here, high in crude March 8th, although crude's creeping back. It's up at 114.5. Gold is something to look at. That's starting to break out. My guess is because of the uncertainty with currencies in Russia. And again, I'll get more into that on the quick macro update that I'm going to do right now after this. So those are kind of the levels that we're really looking at. Again, north of 65 and opening up here, I think is going to be bullish. If we are north of 73, I think we definitely we'll break this 14. But as of now, who knows? We could have an inside day, another one, and then an explosive Friday. I'm old enough to remember when they used to have Thursday down days to pump up Friday. Now it kind of seems the opposite. Sometimes we pump for Thursday and then dump on Friday. So, just kind of keep nimble if you're going to do 1DTEs. I don't know if I'd hold overnight, especially in this environment. So much news coming out and so much macro, it's hard to keep up with. So again, I'll do an update on that video. But again, opening up above, 65 really. If we open up above 65, I'm bullish. 673, then I'm very bullish. Again, watch that 14 level. 14 gets us to 25, and then ripping higher. And then our downside, 42 to 46, then 33.15. So, again, just kind of keep an eye on it. It's not telling us much this morning, although it's up, 13 or 14. Where are we at? Oh, 19. So who knows? Maybe we blast higher today. So just be nimble, and we will see you tomorrow. Thanks.